Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Alveoli questions get easy fast when you focus on what speeds diffusion, because the best lining cell must maximize exchange across a very thin surface. The key idea, faster diffusion happens when surface area is large compared with volume, because more membrane is available for gas exchange at the same time. Now use the table's trend. The cell type with the highest surface area to volume ratio will be best for alveoli, since oxygen and carbon dioxide must diffuse very rapidly there. That points to simple squamous cells, whose thin, flat shape is exactly the adaptation that helps gases cross quickly, so option A is correct. Well done! Option A! Scan now. Don't rush past the data signs. Trust the given information and check each step before choosing.